Alright guys, if I had to start YouTube all over again from zero, I'd do almost everything differently. 0 subscribers, 0 views, 0 audience. Nobody waiting for my next video. And you know what? I wouldn't be scared of 0 anymore. Because 0 means you have absolutely nothing to protect. When you first start on YouTube, it's easy to obsess over the numbers. You upload a video and check it 10 minutes later. 3 views. You check again an hour later. 5 views. And one of them was probably you. Feels like nobody cares. But this is the part nobody talks about. Those first videos aren't supposed to make you famous. They're supposed to make you better. Every video is a rep. You're learning how to talk to the camera. You're learning editing, thumbnails, titles, storytelling, lighting, and the hooks. You're learning what people click on and, more importantly, what makes them stay. If I started from 0 today, my first goal wouldn't be 100,000 subscribers. It wouldn't even be 1,000. My goal would be simple. Make 100 videos, because most people never make it that far. They upload 5 videos, nothing happens, and they quit. They decide that YouTube isn't working for them. Meanwhile, people are doing this full time. I'd make one more video, I study it, then make number 2 better. Then 3, then 10, then 50. I wouldn't wait until I had the perfect camera, perfect microphone, perfect shop, or even the perfect idea. I'd use what I have and start, because your equipment can improve later. Your skill has to be built now. 0 is an advantage. And here's something else I wish more new creators understood. When nobody's watching you, you have freedom. Experiment. Make weird videos. Try different thumbnails. Change your editing. Talk about different subjects. Fail. Nobody's keeping score. You're building in silence, and that's powerful. Because eventually, one video might hit. Maybe gets 500 views. Then another gets 2,000. Then something finally connects, and suddenly people start discovering everything else you've made. That's why I'm not just trying to create videos. I'm building a library. Every video becomes another door somebody can walk through to discover my work. There are going to be days when you put hours into a video and nobody watches it. Post the next one. There are going to be videos you think are incredible that completely flop. Post the next one. Someone with half as many videos might explode overnight while you're still grinding for every subscriber. Post the next one. Because comparison doesn't build your channel. Work does. Reps do. Consistency does. Learning does. You don't need everybody to believe you're going to make it. You need enough discipline to keep building while there's absolutely no evidence that you will. That's the difference. So if tomorrow I woke up with 0 subscribers, 0 views, and 0 audience, I'd grab the camera. I'd make video number 1. Then I'd make number 2. And I'd keep going. Because after everything I've learned, I know something now that I didn't understand when I started. 0 isn't rock bottom. 0 is freedom. It's a blank page, a fresh workbench, a chance to build the entire thing stronger than you built it in the first time. So if you're seeing a 0 right now and wondering whether you should start, start. Your first video won't change your life. But the person you become after making the next 100, that person might. Subscribe, follow the journey, let's see how far we can build this thing. This is day 1.